All right, hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm jumping right into this video and giving you guys the cutest, easiest curly look from Beauty Forever Hair. So if you're interested, keep watching. All right, friends, let me give you guys the specifics of this hair. This is from Beauty Forever Hair. This is their curly wig in at 20 inches, and it does have transparent lace. I'm just showing you how the hairline is, and I did go ahead and tint it with some foundation like normal. So I actually decided to go ahead and pluck this wig because I just wanted to show you guys how quickly it can transform a wig. So this is really geared towards all my beginners out there. It's so easy to do, you guys. I just kind of start at the hairline and just work my way back. Just make sure you keep moving your tool. What do you call this? I cannot think of the tweezer. There we go, the tweezer. So you don't get a bald spot, which I think I ended up getting with this wig. I cannot remember. It's so easy to get a bald spot. I'm not the best plucker, but I do my best. So yeah, I probably spent about 5 minutes plucking this hair, and that's it. Also, as far as how I section the hair, I have a thicker hairline in the middle of my head. That's why that area is clipped. So I pluck in 3 different sections. So here is what it's looking like after 5 minutes of plucking, y'all. That is it. And I'm gonna just show you guys a comparison of how it looks on the left side right here. So that is the non-plucked side, and then you just saw 5 minutes of plucking. Wow, a difference that it makes. And this is the entire head after it is plucked. Not too shabby. So as far as how I'm going to melt this wig, I'm just going to spray the free spray like I'm doing right here, right on top of the lace. This is not my favorite way to do it. I don't know why I did it this way. I think it's just because I haven't done it in so long. I just wanted to double check to make sure I did not like this method, and I don't like it at all. I just prefer taking the lace off prior to, you know, melting it and then doing it like the regular way, but whatever. I just feel like with this way, I'm more likely to like thin my edges even more with like taking the scissors right here to my edges, and then you have to like lift the lace up to try and get all of, you know, the excess lace off, and it was just too much. And I'm just like, look, I'm trying to protect these little thin edges of mine. I'm not trying to hurt them, and I just felt like I was hurting them even more. So yeah, won't be doing this again. All right, so I wasn't super in love with the lace. I just felt like it was a little too white for me. So I'm just adding a little bit of bronzer to my hairline. And next, I'm just going to style this hair very, very easily, you guys. That's what I love about curly hair. It's just so easy to style, and the summer is about to come. Well, I'm skipping straight to summer because I'm here in Houston, but spring is coming, you guys, and curly hair with some baby hair, and you good to go. You ain't got to do too much to it. It's like right up my alley. So I'm just gonna do a simple part here, and then I'm gonna lay my edges. Now this wig actually does not fit me. Like, it's like just maybe like a centimeter or 5 off. So I'm going to show you what I do to disguise like the off color of the lace, the whiteness of the lace, and also like right by my ear tabs, because that's where I need just a little bit more room. So I'm just taking some styling foam. This is the Cream of Nature styling lotion. Take whatever you have handy, that or some gel, whatever you got. And honestly, you guys, when I really need to cover some lace, because like if you see, I couldn't take the excess lace off without feeling like I was risking my own natural hair. So I just did some big swoops to just kind of disguise it, because the reality is the swoops will cover it, but I just need that straight line, and I can see it right here. There's some like one spot right there in the corner, left-hand corner, that I didn't get, but it's all good. I did my best, but that's typically what I do. I just do more like baby hair. And it especially works really well when you're doing like when you're already working with curly hair. And then for my sideburns, I just kind of pull all the hair down, and then I'm just going to add this setting foam, comb my hair back right in the front and get it to lay exactly how I want it to go. And then I'm just gonna tie it down. So that's pretty much it, you guys, that I do for the front. And this works every single time, just kind of molding and setting the hair in place. And these little strips, I put them in my Amazon store. You guys always ask me about them, so they are there. So yeah, I've got some makeup on finally. I'm not looking crazy anymore. And now we're gonna get into styling this hair very, very easily. I'm just gonna take some water to just kind of get all that excess shedded hair that I did not get out when I was plucking. And then I'm gonna take some styling foam on top of this to really define the curls. So styling this hair was a breeze, you guys. Look at those curls form. Like, oh my goodness. I was like so in love with this whole entire look. Beauty Forever did a great job with this wig. In the front, I'm just going to show you what I quickly do to kind of take out the bulk. And I didn't do too much on this wig, but this is a great tip for you guys. Just get you some thinning shears to not make the front of your head so heavy. And I'm going to show you in about 2 seconds, coming up right now. So these are thinning shears. I got these little teeth in them, and you just kind of take it wherever you need to thin the hair out, and the hair will come out. It doesn't cut all the strands, it cuts some of the strands to make the air, like to make the section thinner. And this is perfect. So if you wear wigs, if you wear curly hair, anything like that, you need a pair of thinning shears. They are like the best thing that I've come across for wearing wigs. So yeah, you guys, not too much else to say about this wig. Perfect density. It's not super thick, so keep that in mind. So if you want something a little bit thicker, then go up. But I think this is 150%, which was perfect for spring, summer, and the heat. You don't want all that hair anyways. And the length was 20 inches, which is great. Again, I'm loving shorter hair. So I'll put all the information to this wig down below, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Great job, Beauty Forever Hair. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.